What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to add music to your Instagram posts. Adding music to your post can dramatically enhance the overall feel, making them more engaging and expressive. Whether you want to set the mood, highlight a special moment, or simply make your post stand out, music is a powerful tool to convey your message. To get started, open up your Instagram app. Once you're in, it's time to create a new post. You can do this by tapping on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. Choose the post option and then select a picture from your gallery that you'd like to share. After selecting your picture, look for the music icon, which you'll find at the upper right corner of your screen. Tapping on this icon will take you to a new screen filled with a vast library of songs. Instagram offers an extensive selection of tracks you can browse through. You can search for your favorite songs or explore new music by browsing through the different categories and recommendations. Once you've found the perfect song to complement your post, the next step is to select the exact part of the song you want to play in your post. Instagram allows you to choose a specific segment of the song, ensuring the music aligns perfectly with your content. After selecting the section of the song you want to include, tap on Done to confirm your choice. Then proceed by tapping Next. Here, you can add a caption, tags, or location before sharing your post. Once you're ready to share your masterpiece with the world, simply tap on Share. And that's it. You've successfully added music to your Instagram post, creating a more immersive experience for your followers. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.